Hello again, everybody. We're back out here on the old tiny house build, and you can see we have some of this house wrap up around the house because we wanted to try to make sure we preserved what we have. And also, this stuff will help as a moisture barrier and a wind barrier, and it should keep the house a reasonable temperature. Now, I ran out up there, and I think I'm just going to use like plastic or something to go across that. But the main thing I wanted to do was to get the roof covered and everything before it snowed. And, well, I did, but as you can see behind me, we did get some snow. It's not bad. We didn't get a whole lot of snow, but we did get some snow. But anyway, now we have some good old siding to put up. And that should make everything a whole lot more steady. Because right now, I was up on the top when I was putting that plastic on up on top. And the whole thing was kind of moving around, and I was afraid that I was going to loosen it up to the point that it would start losing structural integrity. I don't know if it will. I don't want to take a chance though, because we put a lot of work into it, and I'd kind of like to keep it going the way that it's been going instead of having to rebuild. I don't want to have to rebuild everything, so. But you can see it is waterproof and snowproof, or whatever you want to call it. It is kind of bunched up there, but we kind of did that in a hurry because I was up here, like I said, and the whole thing was moving around. And I knew I had to get the plastic on there before it started raining and snowing and doing its thing. So, now, let's see if we can't get some of this siding up. First off, if you remember, there are some windows that I need to cut out. I already got the door cut out. Right there. I already cut the door out. I'm going to cut these windows out and staple them down and get ready to start putting up some siding. everything put up. You can see it's all the way around. Let me show you. Got this side, there's the back. Yeah, looks pretty good. And here's this side. So, since we have our siding, we already have our door cut out, but we now need to get some holes in here for our windows, because it's awful dark in here. You can see, looks awful dark. Let's see if we can't brighten it up a little. Drill our 4 holes. Better for you. Okay, so that's how we cut out our windows. So we just cut out a few more. See if we can stick some in there. I'll get back to you. Alright, so we have windows. So we're going to have to make them where we can put them in. They don't have holes around the outside, so we're going to drill some. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to go about in the middle of each one of these panes of glass. Put us some holes. have done another step off camera. You may notice there is also a door. Let me get backed up here a little bit. So, there, never mind the mess, it is a construction site. But, yeah, there is the bottom floor sided and everything. Of course, we still have to do the top floor, but we got this part with windows and a door. So, let's take a closer look. Okay, so it is coming right along and looking like a house on the front, especially with that door in the middle. Yeah, I think that will work nicely. Now, this is not the only door we're going to have. This is actually a storm door. We're going to have an interior door too, but it is affixed to, I had to build the frame out. I had to put 2x4 against this side and 1 against the top, which will have to be taken down because when I get the new door, it is going to be a pre-hung door and we'll have a frame and all that. But for right now, this way we actually have a way to close it up. I know the top's open. Not much longer, but it's open for now. But anyway, yeah, this door it's a pretty nice little door. It's got a spot for the closer up there. I guess we can hook that up. That way it can close itself, and that will prevent it from flying open and breaking the glass. So let's see, let's put that on. Yeah, that's it. Here. This. Okay, now, when you open the door, it will close itself. It's supposed to close itself. But, yeah. All right, so we've got a house, basically. Still a few drips are coming down because there was some snow on the top whenever I put the plastic on. So, yeah, we still got some drips coming down. I'm hoping it will empty them all out. It got warm enough that some of the snow melted today, so we may be okay. But anyway, I believe I'm going to do some house cleaning because as you can see, it's kind of dirty in here. I'm going to do some house cleaning, clean up all this sawdust and stuff. Get rid of all these scrap boards, stuff like that. And that will wrap up today's video, I guess. Get back on it tomorrow. We're kind of losing the light. So I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.